is your First Alert 5 weather with Jeff Matthews.
Welcome back. Well, calendar spring just a little over a month away, but it's hard to remember that it's still winter around here, and it's going to feel like it the next 48 hours. 22 degrees in Woodland Park. I can still see some shadows there, so mostly cloudy skies. Mostly cloudy in the Springs as you look down Garden of the Gods. And 33 degrees. And as we check in further southwards, Pueblo overcast and 42 degrees. And continuing southwards towards Fisher's Peak, 40 degrees in Trinidad and overcast skies. You're familiar with the advisories. The lavender versus the pink is an amount of snowfall difference. They all entail the fact that we're going to be dealing with this for the next 48 to 60 hours. So a little less snow is anticipated by the Weather Service here, a little bit more in the pink shaded counties or in southwestern Colorado. The mountains will pick up more. Here's what I want to point out about the state satellite radar. Look at how it goes from clear to overcast, and the snow just literally grows west of the mile-high city over time. It's not pushing in from the west, it's growing overhead as a backdoor cold front pushes up against the eastern slopes of the mountains, fills in the moisture again with an incoming storm from the south and west, and we're going to get some snow here later on tonight into tomorrow. That backdoor cold front combined with the fact that the jet stream has driven far to the south means that Flagstaff at 23 degrees is evidence and proof positive that that jet stream has sunk way downtown beyond the Four Corners region. The other thing I want you to notice how the radar imagery goes from very little to blossoming across the Four Corner region here on the last few frames. Not one, but two storms, two lobes of lower pressure are going to come drifting through. One tonight into tomorrow morning, then a lull tomorrow morning afternoon, the second one tomorrow evening into Tuesday morning. Let's go hour by hour. We start the clock at 10 o'clock tonight. It's just beginning in Springs, Manitou, and Colorado. Some flurries in Woodland Park. It's been snowing a little bit in Canyon City and Rye at this point. I think it's going to start there about 8 o'clock, as well as Monument, probably between 6 and 8 o'clock this evening. And then notice by just 2 hours later, it's almost completely filled in the map here, goes through the nighttime hours, several inches on the ground by tomorrow morning. We're at 7 a.m. Now watch it dissipate. There's your lull. It continues to stay mainly dry with just a flurry or two until 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow evening, and then up and down the I-25 corridor, here it comes again, overspreading the region into Tuesday morning, where the process repeats itself, where it winds down late Tuesday morning and afternoon. But notice how cold. The fluff factor will be high as well. Here's another way to see it, the visibility. Perfect visibility right now. But by the time we get to 3:30 in the morning, visibility is near zero in Monument, Canyon City, Pueblo, eastwards towards Lamar. Then the visibility comes back up tomorrow morning and afternoon, meaning there's very little snow falling, and then it begins coming down again at 7 o'clock tomorrow evening and goes near zero overnight. So I would heavily advise avoiding traveling later this evening into the overnight, into tomorrow early morning, and again tomorrow night into early Tuesday morning. Here's a peek at the range I'm expecting. Note, it is a 2-day total from midnight tonight through Tuesday mid-afternoon. Okay. Weather alert day for tomorrow and Tuesday. Storm impact scale of 2 for both days. Fortunately, most people and kids have off tomorrow. But you may have off Tuesday too. Very cold. Bright on Wednesday with heavy snow glare after the snow has already fallen. Flurries Friday and Saturday, don't worry about that. Pueblo, 17 and 19, very cold with snow tonight into tomorrow morning, tomorrow night into Tuesday morning. Storm impact scale of 2. Dry and cold on Wednesday. Canyon City, mid and upper teens the next couple of days. Lows into single digits. Snow tonight, tomorrow morning, Tuesday morning as well. And Woodland Park, not as much snow there. I'd say 3 to 5 inches total between tomorrow and Tuesday's snow. The numbers have nowhere to go but up after.